Hey, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Isa, and today we are going to be doing a Geek Gear Wizarding World unboxing. I got my box for the month of May, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we got our box for the month of May. Right off the bat, it doesn't look like Newt's case. It is in Slytherin green, and it's got little snakes and little cauldrons on it. So let's just get into this little bad boy because I'm stoked. All right, grab the lovely tab and oh yes. All right, so I'm gonna open it up. You guys can see it's got the green Slytherin paper, and then show you guys so you guys can see first. All right. Ooh, okay. So I want to see the shirt. So all I can see right now is an owl. So shake it out for you guys. And it's Hedwig. Oh, I like this. Oh, I love this. I love owls. They're my fave. Oh my God, this is so cute. I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of this specific shirt because I love owls. I have a problem. Oh my goodness, this is super cute. So we'll throw that back there. All right, and the next thing, what is this? I don't know what this is. Let's just, what is it? Oh, duh. It's a pillow cover. It's a small one at that. I think I might actually have a pillow this size that I can use it on. And it's got little Death Eaters on it. So, I mean, that's really cute. I like that. So far, I think that this box is for sure house themed, which, I mean, I don't mind. All right, and the next thing. Ooh, all right. Another Death Eaters thing. It's a scarf, but it feels more like a shawl situation, but it's a scarf. It's very pretty. It's kind of got like a very, what's that material? Like a chiffon material. It's very light and very airy, which I mean, I personally like. And see, more little Death Eaters masks. It's got a very strong Death Eaters feel. And we'll throw that back there. I really like that. That's super cute. I would probably use that to like decorate or something. And I see a very big box in here. And it's a wand. Or at least I'm hoping it's a wand. Because, I mean, long box. The last time it was a wand. So I'm going to go with it's probably a wand. But I'm really excited to see whose wand it is. All right. Ooh. Big handle, big handle. Oh my goodness! Look at that! That is very, very cool. Expecto Patronum! Oh my God, I love these boxes. They're so awesome! All right, and the next thing I see is, woo! It's got the Slytherin crest on it. Lots of unwrapping. It is, oh, it's a lanyard. I used to have a Slytherin lanyard. It's just got little snakes and it says Slytherin on it, and it's got a little ID holder. This is good like when you go to the parks, so you can just put your little pass in there and you just swipe. I'd probably take it off this little thing and just use it for my keys, to be perfectly honest. It's got a little Slytherin badge situation going on. Oh, I like that. And then, oh yay! I love getting these. These are like my favorite bits. These are more recipes. Okay, so we've got cauldron cakes, and we've got a spiced love potion, which, I mean, this is kind of cool. Ooh, I like it, I like it. This is very summery, and I'm all about some summery drinks. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of these. All of the recipes, really. And then it looks like the last thing. Oh, this is so beautiful. It is Luna Lovegood in her lion's head hat. I love that little headdress. That is very, very cool. I don't know what to do with the prints. I really wish I did. I probably should just hang them up in my office, but I really like this. She's just so wonderful. She's definitely one of my favorite characters. I like her really because of like her unique quirkiness, and I kind of really identify with that because I'm a little quirky and a little weird myself. So, I mean, I really like this. I honestly don't know what to do with it, but I will find a home for her to be somewhere. Right now, I'm just gonna put her up here. But, all right, that seems to be the last thing in our box. I really liked everything. My favorite thing for sure in this box was the owl shirt, but that's because I collect owl things and owl figurines. So, I mean, it kind of just like goes with all the other things that I have in my home. So, I mean, I really liked it. I do love getting anything Slytherin related because I'm very proud Slytherin. So, I mean, let's just check out the prices of all the items. So let's open it up, open it up. What? That can't be. Okay, I'm like kind of freaking out right now. It has a YouTuber spotlight in the back and it says it's me. It's a picture of me and it says my YouTube name. That's kind of cool because that's my name. It says Issa on the Run. That's amazing. Okay, continuing on. I just got a little excited because that's super weird. All right, so the first thing is the exclusive Sinister scarf, which was $11.99. The exclusive Sinister cushion is $9.99. The house lanyards are $7.99. And the Luna lion print was $4.99. The wand exclusive. This highly quality handcrafted painted wand comes with an iron core for extra stability and extra addition to any witches or wizards collection. Okay, so it's designed by Geekier. It's nobody's wand, but I still like it very much. And it's $11.99, and then the t-shirt is $9.99. Awesome! Awesome! I love getting these boxes. I'm not sponsored. I just buy them with my own money because I love all things Harry Potter. But if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of our little family and to click that little bell notification so that you know every time I upload. I'll be here absolutely every single Saturday and sometimes on Wednesdays. And as always, I love you guys very much. Until next time, bye!